Hello and welcome to the presentation of KoalaTool, a command line tool for manipulating, inspecting, and merging koala pictures. In order to follow this tutorial, you should be familiar with the koala format on the C64 and you should know about using command line tools. So let's get into it. KoalaTool. Let's start with just using the command KoalaTool, which will show you a short information about the tool so you can see which subcommands you can use. There are subcommands like info, del, crop, and so on. Next, let's try to get some more help for KoalaTool, which just means that you call the help command. When you use the help command, you will get information about the KoalaTool, especially about each subcommand. Each subcommand is described as you just can see here. KoalaTool examples will give you even more information, especially examples, so you know how to use it. We will try out some of these examples right now. KoalaTool info is the first command we are trying out. And as you can see, this will not succeed because we did not specify a source file. So let's specify a source file. I will use picture1, which you can see on the right hand side. The original picture1, you can also see the picture2 we will use later on, and you can see a result. Well, picture1 or info in this case will not produce any result, so you can ignore the result right now. This command gives you the information about the picture, which is just the picture name, the file size, start address, and the background color. We can specify the information more specifically and can say we want more information about the character 26, 20 column 6 line. And then we even see how this character looks like. This could be helpful if you want to do some pixel manipulation and you want to check out which colors are used, etc. The delete command will delete a rectangle within the picture. So now you can check the result and you see a rectangle has been cut out of the picture. You can do the same command with crop instead. This will just create the offset effect. As you can see, it will cut out as well, but the inner part is left and the outer part is thrown away. So now let's go to another version of delete. Del V will delete vertically. In this case, we delete from line 50 to line 100. Step 1 means it will delete everything. But we can also say that we only want to delete every second line, which will look like this. So there is also a filter command which will delete every second pixel, just like you can see in the result picture shown. We can also move the picture around. We can move it horizontally and vertically. Here we say move 5 and -2, which means we will move it 5 to the right and 2 characters up. We can also say we only want to move it vertically for 3 positions to the top. Then we can try another command. We can say move it 4 pixels down. We can also move it horizontally for 12 pixels to the right, or we could move it horizontally again for 14 pixels, this time to the left. So another possibility is to insert the picture 2 into picture 1. We define where we want to insert the picture. You can see the result now. We insert the picture somewhere in the middle of the other picture. We can also say we insert it vertically, which just means that we want to attach the picture below this example. So, and then we can also insert it horizontally, which means insert it to the right side. We can also replace parts of the picture. So this means we replace a part of picture 1 with picture 2. It's just like we would see through picture 1 into picture 2. Just like we would open a small window. We can also use the simpler command replace vertically, which just means that the top of the picture is from picture 1 and the bottom is from picture 2, and this also exists horizontally. So on the left side there is picture 1 and on the right side there is picture 2. An interesting command is the merge command, which will put two pictures together. So it will put picture 2 over picture 1. And there is some artifact which is because of the Koala format, which is character oriented, and this means you might use a painting tool in order to fix this artifact. One of the greatest commands is the mask command, where you can say that you will use picture 2 as mask, and if you use the mask command, you will only see the pictures which will be seen through the mask of picture 2. And there's also the possibility to make this command inverted, and then you adjust which is not on the picture 2. Well, let's look at the picture and you will see what I mean. You just cut out picture 2 somehow. So that's it about the presentation for KoalaTool. If you do have any questions, feel free and ask me. You can write me via email admin@logical.com, and you can also visit my homepage logical.com. Thank you for watching and bye bye.